Let's start with the pros. First, the balance is really good here. You get QHD resolution and high refresh rate, which is exactly what most gamers want right now. Second, motion performance is solid. Games feel responsive, and the high refresh rate definitely makes a difference if you're coming from 60 Hz or even 144 Hz. Third, great ergonomics. The stand is fully adjustable, which is something a lot of people overlook, but actually makes a big difference in comfort. Fourth, color quality is decent for gaming and light content work. It's not professional grade, but it's definitely not washed out either. Now, the cons. First, HDR is pretty underwhelming. Like many mid-range gaming monitors, it's more HDR supported than truly HDR impressive. Second, it's not the absolute fastest in motion clarity compared to some higher-end esports-focused panels. Third, price can be a bit tricky. Depending on discounts, it might feel slightly expensive compared to similar QHD monitors. So yeah, it's strong overall, but not perfect.
Looking at what users are saying online, the feedback is actually pretty consistent. A lot of gamers really like this monitor for one main reason: the balance. It's not just about speed. It also looks good in everyday use. People mention that switching from 1080p to 1440p feels like a big upgrade in clarity without killing performance. Some users also say it's a great do-it-all monitor. You can game competitively and still enjoy movies or editing without feeling limited. But, of course, there are criticisms too. Some users mention that HDR doesn't really feel like a game changer. It's there, but not something you'll notice heavily in real gameplay. Others say that while it's fast, it's not the absolute best option if you're purely focused on competitive esports performance. So overall, people like it, but they also recognize it's more of a balanced monitor, not a specialist. So is the ASUS TUF VG27AQL5A the best 27-inch gaming monitor? Honestly, it's one of the best all-arounders, but not the absolute best in any single category. If you want a monitor that handles both competitive gaming and everyday use really well, this is a strong pick. But if you're chasing pure esports performance or top-tier HDR, there are more specialized options out there. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.